Hello everyone, welcome to the Important Korean Vocabulary for All Part 2. Learn quick and smart way. And today we have a word. First word is money. Money. A lot. Sigan. Sigan. Time. No. No. You. Ingan. Ingan. A person or a human. Sasil. Sasil. The truth of fact. Nada. Nada. To be born. Irotha. Irotha. Like this. Harmony. Harmony. Mom. Noon. Noon. Eyes. More. More. That means who or what. Something like this. Chom. Chom. Store. Wehada. Wehada. To be due to or owing to. Seed. Seed. An age or period. Town. Town. Next. Irahara. Irahara. Be this way. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel for more words and vocabulary. See you again. Bye bye.